For this video, you will see our team tear down a U-arch, which are the same steps backwards to set it up. So first, you would want to lay the arch down so that it's easier to disassemble. Second, you would have to locate the bolt and nut that can be found at the 180-degree mark in the middle on either sides. And to unscrew the nut, you would use a wrench. As you can see, it is hidden by the flower, so you just have to kind of move it to the side to unscrew the nut. And after removing the bolt and nut, you would just cut the zip ties that was used to secure the arch together. Now, after we've done one side, we would just have to repeat the same steps onto the other side so that we can fully separate these arch pieces into 3. So as you can see here, we have successfully disassembled the arch into 3 pieces, which is best for transporting it. And if you did have clear bags or a cling wrap, you can wrap it to secure during transport.